In this video, I'll be showing you how to step-by-step export videos in Premiere Pro CC. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do when you're done editing, then you need to go up to the Export tab up here in the left-hand corner. You can also click Ctrl M if you're on Windows or Command M if you are on Mac. Then from here, this page should be popping up. From here, you can change the file name. I'm just gonna choose test. Then down here to format, you need to be sure that you have H.264. And that's because that will save your file as an MP4, which is the normal format to use when exporting videos. Then from here, you need to go up to presets, and you need to make sure that you have match source adaptive high bitrate. And that makes sure that it is the highest maximum quality that your video is going to be rendered or exported to. Then from here, you need to change the location. You can just click here. Then the Windows pop-up will pop up, where you can choose either the file name, and you can select where you want to save the file. When you've done that, you simply need to go down to this blue icon down here and click export. And as you can see here, now it is exporting. And as you can see down in the right hand corner, your video has successfully exported. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!